Hello, Greenwood Middle School students. This is your friendly neighborhood computer teacher here, and today I want to do a short video to show you how you can access Canvas, whether you're on your own device or a device you got from school, or if you're doing the extended learning option from home. Wherever you are, the kind of quickest, easiest way for you to log into Canvas. Now, Canvas is our digital classroom. Every teacher will have a Canvas page to put information on there for you to see what your assignments are, to turn in assignments, or to communicate with your teacher. I am using the Google Chrome web browser here, and the quickest and easiest way to get to Canvas and log in is to simply go to Google and put in GMS, and we're just going to hit enter. And right off the bat, you're going to notice that the very first result should be Greenwood Middle School. We're going to click on that, and the login page for Canvas is exclusive to our school. You can't just Google Canvas and log in. You'll have to use the link that is on our middle school webpage. I'm going to go up here to Students at the top. As you can see right here, there's a link at the top of our school website that says Students. And if you scroll down in alphabetical order, it says Canvas. Now, when you click this, it's actually going to open in a new window. So to save you time from always having to go to the middle school website and then go to Canvas, you could go right up here at the top of this window and you could copy this link. And if you want to go back to Chrome and just open a new tab, you could paste it in and hit enter. And now you could actually add this as a bookmark just by clicking on the little star up here at the top. And it says you could name the bookmark to, log into Canvas, hit done, and you'll get a little link up at the top of your bookmarks bar. Notice when I added this, I said I wanted it on my bookmarks bar, and that's right here. And you could get a little link so you don't have to always go to the middle school website. So when you log into Canvas, you're very simply going to put in your school lunch number and your school password. So I'm going to do that now. Your school password most likely has at least one capital letter in it, so you're going to want to make sure that you capitalize that letter as it appears on the password that was given to you. And we're going to click Login. And you should be on your Canvas page. Now, as we get closer to the start of school, you'll start to see more classes appear. If you want to make sure that all of your courses show up on Canvas, notice we have a little button down here, and it can make your navigation bar on the left smaller or larger. But if you notice that you should have a math course in Canvas, but it doesn't show up, go over on the left and click on Courses and go to All Courses. And you just want to go up here to where it says Course, and you want to click on every single one of these stars, and that will make them appear. And if you can't click on it, then you're not currently enrolled in that class. But when you go back to your dashboard, you should see that you're going to have all of the classes that your teachers currently have Canvas pages for. They will appear on your dashboard. Thanks a lot. I hope this helped you out, and have a great school year.